If Outlook is showing error 0x800ccc78, don't worry. This is usually an outgoing mail problem, and in most cases it comes down to SMTP authentication or the wrong port settings. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact fixes step by step so you can get Outlook sending emails again without the frustration. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, let's understand what this error usually means. Outlook error 0x800ccc78 often appears when your email provider is refusing the outgoing message because Outlook is not authenticating properly, or because the SMTP port is blocked or set incorrectly. In simpler terms, Outlook is trying to send your email, but the server is not accepting it. The first fix is to enable SMTP authentication in your account settings. Open Outlook, then go to the File menu at the top left. From there, click Account Settings and then select Account Settings again from the drop-down. You'll see a list of your email accounts. Choose the account that is giving you the error, then click Change. Next, look for More Settings. Click that, and in the new window, go to the Outgoing Server tab. Here, you want to make sure the box that says My Outgoing Server SMTP requires authentication is checked. This is one of the most common reasons behind error 0x800ccc78. Once you check it, make sure the option Use same settings as my incoming mail server is selected. This allows Outlook to use the correct login details when sending mail. After that, click the Advanced tab. This is where you can fix the port issue. Look for the outgoing server or SMTP port setting. If it's set to the wrong number, your emails may fail to send. Change the outgoing port to 587, which is the most common secure SMTP port used by many email providers today. Also, if there's a drop-down for encryption, choose TLS or STARTTLS if your provider supports it. These settings help ensure your outgoing mail is accepted securely. Once you've updated the authentication and port settings, click OK, then Next, and finally, finish or close to save the changes. After that, test Outlook by sending a simple email to yourself. If the message goes through, the issue is likely resolved. If you still see the error, the next thing to check is your daily email volume. Some mail servers will temporarily block sending if you send too many emails in a short period of time. This is especially common with business accounts or email services that have sending limits. If you've been sending lots of emails, pause for a while and try again later. Reducing your daily email volume can help prevent the server from flagging your account. Another thing worth checking is whether your internet connection or antivirus software is interfering with Outlook's connection to the SMTP server. In some cases, security software can block outgoing mail ports. If you suspect that's happening, temporarily disable the mail scanning feature in your antivirus or test Outlook with the antivirus paused, then try sending another email. Just remember to turn your protection back on afterward. You should also verify that your username and password are correct in Outlook. If your email provider recently changed security requirements, you may need to re-enter your password or create an app password if two-factor authentication is enabled. A wrong password can sometimes trigger send errors that look like a connection or authentication issue. If you are still stuck after that, go back and double-check that the outgoing server name, SMTP port, and authentication method exactly match the settings recommended by your email provider. Even one small typo can cause Outlook to fail when sending mail. So to recap, the main fixes for Outlook error 0x800ccc78 are enabling outgoing server authentication, changing the SMTP port to 587, confirming the correct encryption type, and lowering your sending volume if needed. In most cases, one of those steps will solve it quickly. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Outlook and Windows troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.